Hi. My project is SMS COVID tracker. It's an application that could send you COVID-19 stats using the SMS. And the best part is that it uses the Twilio API to send a message anywhere in the world. It's offline and it's built using Python and Flask. And it's hosted on the Heroku hosting service, and it's live at this address. And here's the website. So before we begin, let's see a short demo of the application. Here's the application. As you can see, I open up the messages app and then send the number, Twilio number, the text, that is show me stats for, let's say, India. Then I have set up a webhook that could gather all the cases, all the live cases from India, and then send you back a message. Here you can see the text message, which is automatically aligned and automatically centered with all the useful information. I've even changed the date to day and date. As you can see, I get all the number of cases on each day. Now that was the demo. Now let's see how I built it. So as I said, this app is built using Python, and I have also uploaded it on GitHub. So let's see what is the app basically. So the app can be seen as a chatbot for the SMS platform, and for the project I used object-oriented design. I have used a decorator pattern, and I've used the typing protocols present in the Python language. And you can see a short directory structure of the application. So backend contains all the data retrieving task and sending the message. App.py is the main application, and templates are all my templates for the application. So to build the backend system, I use an open source API, that is api.covid19api.com, and I built a wrapper around it that could gather all the data and get me a message in the form of a string so that I can send it using the Twilio APIs. Next up, I have the parser.py. The base parser is the crux of parsing a given message. At the moment, the functionality is that I've used show me stats for some country name. That is the parser. And next, to illuminate the same effect of how package.json works, I've built build.py and build.json, that where you can put any key value pair, and then using build.py you could build it, you could run the application. Some future directions of the app, as you can see, is that using the Python language I could also create a predictive engine right in the SMS platform, where I could, let's say, what will be the confirmed deaths or confirmed cases on a Tuesday. I could also get COVID plots on my phone, and that's the app. And it's built using Flask. It's live, and I that's it. Yeah.